Let's give the HOMENOTE Complete Sous Vide Accessory Kit a run. Let's see what we got here. Comes with some nice packaging. Here's the lid. We've got a small sous vide cookbook. Should help me. Ooh, there are all kinds of interesting things in here. Asian style tuna steak. This one comes with a rack included. It's just a simple metal rack. You put it together and then you put it inside here, and that separates your food just to make sure the water circulates around them evenly and they cook evenly. And this actually includes a little costume for the container to retain the heat so you're not wasting that heat. Neoprene costume. Okay, so this is what the basket looks like. You can obviously add 2 more of these things to separate it further, as well as these supports. But as somebody who raced cars professionally and builds cars and things, this is the most idiotic design I have ever seen. But at the same time, still functional just for the vertical things. These things on the end are just, let's just call them stupid. So let's put the stupid things in here. And I do want to show you the not stupid neoprene costume to keep all the heat in while you're cooking. That makes a lot of sense. Let's make sure we happen to have a big sous vide machine. We have a big one. Let's make sure it fits in there, and it fits in there perfectly, like this is a piece of sous vide equipment. Anyway, we're going to cook some steaks in here with the functional but weird design separators and see how they come out. All right, here we go. We are at 122 degrees. I do want to point out that I really like this neoprene sleeve. Makes it hard to see what's going on in there, but you don't really need to. And you can see just looking at this top how much moisture this is keeping in by keeping all that temperature in there. All right, so now I have it in with those 2 separators, which this unit comes with. Let's put 2 of these delicious Argentinian steaks in here. 1, 2, I just vacuum sealed these, seasoned them. They are aged, and they will be ready to eat in something like an hour and a half. I feel like that is the coolest part, that these will be ready in something like an hour and a half. Could be an hour and 20 minutes, could be an hour and 40 minutes, could be an hour and 35 minutes. There is no specific need. It is like shotgun, and it is perfect every single time. Crazy cool. I'm gonna go shoot another video. I'll see you in an hour and a half to go sear these. Okay, it has been about an hour and a half. The nice thing is, it's about an hour and a half. Doesn't matter with your sous vide cooking. Let's take this out. Again, I'm gonna say, I do really like this neoprene cover. I really think it makes a whole lot of sense for this. You can see how much condensation there is on the lid, and this is all power, temperature that would have been lost to the world. So, as you may know, sous vide steaks, when they come out of the vacuum bag, look pretty terrible. They're like this gray, ugly mass, which we then dry off so that we could get a really good sear, take them outside and sear them up. I'll dry them up in private, but I'll show you post-sear what these delicious steaks have turned into. You can see the gray mass right here. The important thing is the vacuum bag worked perfectly, and that looks like a perfectly cooked steak version 1. And let's move it over to get perfectly cooked steak number 2 at 122 degrees temperature throughout, perfectly cooked. And there is no chance of me ruining it, because the beautiful Miss Nikki, who's standing over here, will tell you from time to time, if I'm not paying enough attention, there'll be like a little fire in the barbecue, and I will overcook stuff by accident, and things can go sideways. This way, perfect every time. Let me sear them up and show you what they look like. All right, this is what these perfect steaks look like, but we're just assuming they're perfect. Let's cut it and see if it is perfect.
Oh,
doesn't get more perfect than that.
Totally.
Totally. All right, let's eat these things. This totally delivered this perfect steak. So you cannot possibly go wrong with this. If you want one, there's a link on the screen, another link down below. Both work the same way to get you the most current prices. This is not sponsored. I bought this myself. So help out the channel a little bit. We work really hard to make these steaks. We suffer through this just for you guys. So I'm gonna have to go suffer and eat these steaks, proving that this works really well.